Your body is always sending quiet signals, subtle hints, and gentle nudges, long before any major health issue appears. These are your internal check engine lights, designed to alert you when something needs attention. But in our busy lives, we often ignore these whispers, dismissing them as normal aging or nothing serious. Learning to listen can help you protect your health and take control of your future. Fatigue that never improves isn't just normal tiredness. It's a deep exhaustion that lingers even after a full night's sleep. This can signal issues like hypothyroidism or vitamin B12 deficiency, common but often missed. If you're always drained, don't ignore it. Your body may be asking for help. Persistent fatigue can signal anemia, inflammation, or even heart trouble. Your body's way of warning you something's wrong. If simple tasks suddenly leave you exhausted, don't ignore it. Listen to your body and talk to your doctor to find the real cause. Sudden belly weight gain can happen even if your habits haven't changed. This is often due to hormonal imbalances, especially cortisol and insulin, which signal your body to store fat around your abdomen. This belly fat isn't just cosmetic, it's a sign of deeper metabolic issues that need attention. The connection between insulin resistance and belly fat is a critical one to understand after 50. When your body becomes less sensitive to insulin, it's a direct precursor to prediabetes and eventually type 2 diabetes. That sudden belly weight gain is one of the earliest and most visible signs that your body is struggling with blood sugar regulation. It's a physical manifestation of a metabolic traffic jam happening inside you. Your body is trying to deal with excess sugar in the blood, and its main solution is to convert it into fat and store it in the most metabolically active and dangerous place, your abdomen. This process is also deeply connected to the natural metabolic slowdown that occurs with age. As we get older, we tend to lose muscle mass, and our metabolism, the rate at which our body burns calories for energy, declines. However, a sudden and rapid accumulation of belly fat suggests this slowdown has been accelerated by underlying factors. The hormonal shifts of perimenopause and menopause in women, or andropause in men, dramatically alter how and where the body stores fat, favoring the belly over other areas like the hips and thighs. Therefore, when you see that sudden belly weight gain, it's not simply a matter of eating too much. It's a complex signal from your body that your hormonal landscape is shifting. It's telling you that your stress management systems are overloaded, your blood sugar regulation is becoming compromised, and your metabolism is struggling to keep up. It's a sign that the internal environment of your body is becoming more inflammatory and less efficient. This is your body's way of showing you, on the outside, that there are significant imbalances happening on the inside. Ignoring this signal is a mistake. It's not just about fitting into your old clothes. It's about recognizing that your risk for serious health conditions like heart disease, diabetes, and even certain cancers is increasing. This visceral fat is a metabolic troublemaker. By paying attention to this sign, you can start investigating the root causes, be it stress, diet, or hormonal changes, and take proactive steps to rebalance your system, reduce that dangerous visceral fat, and protect your long-term health from the inside out. All right, let's talk about something many people dismiss as just getting older: feeling out of breath. I'm not talking about after you've run a 5K or climbed 5 flights of stairs. I'm referring to that surprising and frankly alarming feeling of breathlessness from doing simple everyday things. Maybe it's carrying in the groceries from the car, walking up a gentle incline on your usual route, or even just making the bed. This isn't just a sign of being out of shape. It can be your body's way of sending a critical distress signal, one that you absolutely need to listen to, especially after 50. This is what we call dyspnea on exertion, and it's a classic sign that something isn't quite right with the intricate system that delivers oxygen to your body. From a medical perspective, Your ability to breathe easily is a direct reflection of how well your heart and lungs are working together. Think of them as a team. The lungs bring in the oxygen, and the heart pumps that oxygen-rich blood to every single cell in your body, from your brain down to your toes. When you suddenly feel winded from a simple activity, it's like an alarm bell going off in that system. It could mean the pump, your heart, is struggling to keep up with the demand. It's not pushing blood out as efficiently as it used to, which means your muscles and organs are screaming for more oxygen, and your lungs are working overtime trying to provide it. This is where we need to connect the dots. Early-stage heart strain or even congestive heart failure can manifest this way. The heart muscle might be weakening or stiffening, making it less effective. This causes a backup of fluid into the lungs, which, as you can imagine, makes it physically harder for you to breathe. It's like trying to breathe through a wet sponge. The sensation of breathlessness is your brain's reaction to not getting enough oxygen and too much carbon dioxide building up. It's a primal, powerful signal that the fundamental process of respiration and circulation is being compromised, and ignoring it is a gamble you don't want to take. If you're feeling breathless, your body is sending a message. Something's off with your oxygen supply chain. It could be your heart struggling to pump, your lungs stiff from scarring, or even anemia limiting oxygen delivery. Pay attention if breathlessness is new or worsening, especially with chest tightness or swelling. Don't ignore these signs. Talk to your doctor and find out where the problem lies. Let's talk about something we often ignore: our unpredictable digestive system. Bloating, gas, and discomfort can become regular after 50, signaling a deeper imbalance in your gut. Your gut is a complex ecosystem, and as we age, its balance can shift, leading to symptoms that shouldn't be dismissed. Listen to your gut. It's trying to tell you something important. Stress and digestion are deeply connected. When you're stressed, your body diverts resources away from your gut, slowing digestion and causing discomfort. Low stomach acid can make things worse, leading to bloating and reflux. Track your symptoms and meals, and share patterns with your doctor. Listen to your gut. It's telling you something important. Constant thirst and dry mouth aren't always just about dehydration. For those over 50, it can signal high blood sugar, an early warning for diabetes. Sometimes, it's a side effect of medications or a sign of issues with your kidneys or salivary glands. Don't ignore these symptoms. They're your body's way of raising a red flag. Your kidneys are the master regulators of your body's fluid and electrolyte balance. When they falter, you may lose more water than you should, leading to dehydration and constant thirst, a vicious cycle. It's not just about water. Minerals like sodium and potassium are vital too. Imbalances can disrupt hydration and signal deeper issues. If you're always thirsty, don't ignore it. See your doctor. Listening now could add healthy, vibrant years to your life. Our feet are our foundation, but after 50, new pain, swelling, or heaviness can be warning signs we shouldn't ignore. Swelling, called edema, may signal heart or vein issues, while tingling or numbness could mean nerve problems, often linked to diabetes. Don't dismiss these signs. Your feet might be telling you something important about your health. Your feet can reveal a lot about your health. Sharp heel pain in the morning? That could be plantar fasciitis. Burning or tingling? Think nerve issues. Swelling in one foot? That's a red flag for blood clots. Don't ignore foot pain. See your doctor if you notice new swelling, pain, or numbness. Your feet carry important messages about your well-being. Let's move from the body's foundation to its command center, the brain. We've all had those moments. You walk into a room and forget why, you can't find the right word, or you just feel mentally sluggish. But when these moments of brain fog become more frequent and persistent after 50, it's not something to just laugh off as a senior moment. This feeling of mental cloudiness, confusion, or a noticeable drop in your ability to focus and remember things can be a significant signal that something is out of balance. It's not necessarily a sign of early dementia, but it is a sign that your brain's delicate chemistry and environment are being disrupted, and we need to figure out why. One of the first places I look as a physician is inflammation. We often think of inflammation as something physical, like a swollen joint, but it can also be systemic, affecting your entire body, including your brain. Chronic, low-grade inflammation can be triggered by a number of things common in modern life: a diet high in processed foods and sugar, chronic stress, or even a hidden infection. Inflammatory molecules, known as cytokines, can cross the blood-brain barrier and interfere with the normal function of your neurons and the production of neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin, which are crucial for focus, mood, and cognitive clarity. This inflammatory state can literally make your brain feel foggy and slow. Next, we have to talk about your thyroid. This small butterfly-shaped gland in your neck is the master regulator of your metabolism, and its influence extends directly to your brain function. If your thyroid is underactive, a condition called hypothyroidism, which becomes more common after 50, your entire system slows down. Think of it like trying to run your computer on a low battery. Everything becomes sluggish. You'll feel fatigued, you might gain weight, and your mental processes will slow down too. This can manifest as forgetfulness, difficulty concentrating, and that classic brain fog. It's one of the most common and treatable causes of cognitive changes in this age group. Struggling with mental haze? Sleep is crucial. During deep rest, your brain clears toxins that cause brain fog. Nutrient deficiencies, especially magnesium and B vitamins, can also cloud your mind. Hormonal changes, like menopause or low testosterone, play a big role too. The good news? Most causes of brain fog are reversible. Restore your clarity and feel sharp again. Your emotional health is deeply connected to your physical health. Mood changes after 50, like sudden irritability, anxiety, or sadness, can signal hormonal shifts or gut imbalances. For women, menopause impacts brain chemistry. For men, low testosterone affects mood. And don't forget your gut. An unhappy gut can truly lead to an unhappy mind. Unexplained mood changes can be linked to nutrient deficiencies, poor sleep, or unstable blood sugar. B vitamins, vitamin D, and omega-3s are vital for emotional health. Poor sleep and blood sugar swings can make you feel irritable or anxious. If your mood feels off, talk to your doctor. Simple changes can help you feel like yourself again. Waking up at the same time every night? It's not just a quirk, your body's sending a message. This pattern, especially after 50, often points to blood sugar imbalances or stress hormones kicking in. That 3 a.m. wake up, it's your body's SOS, time to listen and support your health. Struggling with nighttime awakenings? Your adrenal system and the hormone cortisol may be to blame. Chronic stress can disrupt cortisol's natural rhythm, causing spikes at night that jolt you awake and leave you anxious. Try a calming wind-down routine. Dim lights, read, stretch, or meditate to help your body signal it's time for rest. Losing strength isn't just about lifting less at the gym. It's struggling with daily tasks like opening jars or carrying groceries. This age-related muscle loss, called sarcopenia, can lead to higher blood sugar, weaker bones, and slower metabolism. But it's not inevitable. Notice the signs and take action, because strong muscles mean independence, health, and a better quality of life as you age. Sarcopenia isn't a one-way street. You can fight back and even reverse muscle loss at any age. Progressive resistance training and enough protein are your best tools. Challenge your muscles with weights, bands, or even carrying groceries. And remember, you can't build muscle without protein. Combine these habits, and you'll build strength and confidence at any age. Your body is always communicating. Those little signals like fatigue or trouble sleeping are its way of asking for help. Listen early, and you can turn potential problems into opportunities for positive change. Track your symptoms, take small daily actions, and partner with your doctor. You are the CEO of your health journey. Thanks for joining us. Follow Health After 50 Compass for more tips.